Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw Ghostface from Scream, okay? There's a few different ways to draw his face, so it's gonna be step-by-step for beginners. Let's get into the Halloween season, okay? Let's jump in. First thing I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna draw a kind of a, almost like a bean shape right here for his eye. Go over here to the other eye, that other bean shape. Kind of another hole there for the nose. Curve for the outer side of the face. Curve over here for the outer side of that. You know, basically it's a cheekbone, you know. Pulling curve, like a straight line down, pulling up. He's got that like giant, you know, super open mouth. So kind of, you know, take advantage of that, or take advantage of that look. Curve here for the top of the mouth. I'm gonna pull down over here, so I'm gonna pull downward. Over here this side. Curve underneath. Go to the top area, for the eyes. And I'm gonna fill out the top of the head area over here. I mean, it is under a hoodie though. Gonna pull a line out over here for the hoodie. Cross up, down over here. Kind of like a kite, almost. Like that's a shape I think about, maybe like something like a kite. Out over here, out, down. And find the outside area. Line, 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 line. Over here, this side, down. And this side, down over here. Just kind of finding the inside, right? That's really, really important, is you're finding kind of the negative shapes, right? The dark shapes. Don't forget, by the way, if you like learning how to draw anything Halloween related, hit the subscribe button and click that button right now, okay? Click that subscribe button and click the bell notification. Don't forget that. Gonna go over here now and I'm gonna throw these lines right here for, like, instead of black, I'm gonna throw these lines all in one direction, like a shading. But you can also fill it in dark. You can fill it in totally black as well. It's kind of up to you. It's just kind of like a dead color there. Boo. But I mean, it's just the same thing with the eyes right here. Throwing in this flat. It's supposed to be flat, right? So I'm just throwing like lines all in the same direction here. Like so. Same thing over here to this eye. Don't forget to hit the like. If there's any Scream fans out there, hit that like button so I know who you are. Same thing down here. And I'm going to go to this side now. Underneath the hoodie, same thing. Whatever it is that I want, black, like totally dark, I'm going to do the same thing. I know it's a black hoodie, but we're trying to show this as, you know, it's concave, right? That's a good way to show off the concave part versus the convex. And again, this is just my way of doing it. You can just fill it in if you like. Just completely fill it in black. That's possible too. I gotta fill this in as well. I didn't realize this shape was blending in there. All right, and now let's do that for the mouth. All right, let's keep going over here. Let me know if there's any other movie villain you want me to draw. I mean, I've drawn Jason Voorhees a bunch. I'm gonna continue to draw him, so I'm gonna have other versions of him. But let me know if there's anything Halloween related, anything new I should draw that I haven't drawn. Let me know. That's what the comments are for, right? Also, check out the main website. It is sketchingeasy.com. There's a beginner drawing lesson on there. If you've never drawn anything in your life, that is for you. Right on. Alrighty. Cool. And now we just like look at him. We want to throw in maybe more detail, maybe like a little bit of fold over here in the drapery, right? Because this is drapery over his head. You can maybe throw a little bit of more folding going on here, right? Because he's wearing that hoodie, right? Or the cloak. Really, it's like a big cloak, right? I still think of it as a hoodie, but I'm going to put like a dark shape underneath here to kind of make it look more like it's coming down. And then throwing in some of the lines right here. Line over here, line down. Kind of continuing to this angle. And maybe throw a little bit of, you know, because if he has that hood on, it's possible he's going to be getting a little bit of shadow right here on the top of the head there, right? You can always kind of throw that in there as well. Totally up to you, okay? And that's pretty much it. I want to thank you very much for following this channel. You are amazing. I am very pleased with how it's going. You know, the Halloween season is here and it is, you know, kicking. But yeah, if there's anything, like I said, that you want me to draw, I will totally make it happen. You just have to tell me, okay? Tell me in the comments and I will, you know, make it occur. So that's it. Party time, all that stuff. It's over. See you later. Don't forget to check out the sketchingeasy.com. And that is it. All right. Happy Halloween, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay. See you soon.
Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very first link that gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it.